Sony is back at MWC with a new look to its highlight phone. Turns out even stone can change if you give it enough time. With that and the rest of the details, I'm Jaime Rivera with Jules Wong on camera. This is the Xperia XZ2 hands-on video, brought to you by Invisible Shield. There's a new shine in this Sony phone. In the past, Xperias were sharp-cornered boxes with flat glass and flat metals, giving it a duller look. Here, we're finally seeing slopes and curves making their way to the XZ2, from corner to corner and every side in between. Some may like it, some may not. Maybe this has to do with the fact that we haven't seen a phone of 11.1 millimeters thick in a long time. Yeah, I know. And if you're wondering where all the space has gone to, it certainly is not in that 3180 mAh battery. We'll have to see if this phone really lasts all day, as Sony claims, with the help of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. I trust Qualcomm more than Sony. Now, taken into wider perspective, this isn't a standout blueprint at all. But it's something outside of this company's comfort zone that we can appreciate. At least what hasn't changed, thankfully, is the IP68 water and dust resistance. The 5.7-inch display isn't just extra tall, it's also just extra. It can screen HDR content and convey dynamic vibrations that will give the front speakers a bit of oomph. Yeah, that's something you'd actually have to try for yourself to understand. It certainly doesn't replace the missing headphone jack by any stretch, but it's still a treat we'll have to chew on in the review labs. We're also looking at some of the capabilities of this 19-megapixel motion eye camera, one of them being that it's the world's first smartphone sensor to record 4K video in HDR, bringing more colors than ever to a consumer recording device. With that, there's also 960 frames per second slow-motion video recording. Putting the Galaxy S9 aside, Sony's second-generation technology can record clips at a higher 1080p resolution. And then there's sensitivity. Users can record video at ISO 12,800 and snap pictures up to 51.2. And let's face it, we've been somewhat disappointed with what the camera system shot for us in past Sony phones, and this one would have been great with OIS, which is sadly not here. Nevertheless, it looks as if Sony still has an engine to push big features for smartphone photography. The Xperia XZ2 will come in black, silver, green, and pink. It'll go on sale next month at a price to be determined. We'll keep our eyes on this and have more coverage at Pocketnow.com. In the meantime, here is a message from our sponsor. Friends, we've got more coverage of MWC 2018, so make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow the link in the description to learn more about Invisible Shield. We thank them for making this coverage possible. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera, and also Jules Wong at PointJules. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.